Hello, hello. May peace and blessings be with you, everyone. I hope that you are doing well. Lots of fun adventures going on in my life for sure. But I want to talk about what are some of the features I absolutely love about OneTech, which is powered by GoHighLevel. So if you have GoHighLevel direct subscription, or a subscription through an agency, or you have OneTech, you are in luck, my friend. 3 most favorite features of GoHighLevel. Okay, one of booking appointments with ease. So I'm so grateful to my business coach, Michelle Cunningham, who saw that anytime anybody needed help with tech, if I was like in a group or something, somebody would say like they need help with tech. And I was like, I'll help you and let's get on a Zoom call. And I would just get on a Zoom call, help the person. And then Michelle once asked me, she's like, are you getting paid for these calls? I was like, no, like that idea had not even occurred to me. She's like, Timmy, you want to start charging for these calls because you are helping someone solve a problem or build a thing, right? So your time is valuable. So I was like, oh, okay. So I went and basically created a calendar link where I could accept payment and book a call. It would sync to my Google Calendar, blah, 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 right? So I did that. So one of my most favorite features to this day is the ability to book appointments directly from OneTech, powered by GoHighLevel, through the web or through my mobile phone. So even if I'm out and about, I can very, very easily, if somebody pings me, they say, they want to book a call with me, they have a link that they can book directly. So my availability is shared through that calendar. They can book directly with me, or they can reach out to me, tell me what time they're available, and I could just book the call real quick for them. And the beautiful thing is it sends them email reminders if they ever reschedule, those reminders, cancellations, all of that. Like all of that gets done very, very easily. And it is just one-time setup that you have to do. And after that, your life is simplified. And if you ever add other things to your calendar, your Google Calendar, your personal calendar, all of that is syncing. So you never get double booked for anything. And you basically keep your life very organized in the background, because we all entrepreneurs, we all have so much going on. So it just, gives you peace of mind that everything is running beautifully in the background. So that would be one of my most favorite features of GoHighLevel, the ability to book appointments and have everything syncing and the notifications going out automatically. So it's pretty hands-free after it's set up correctly. Okay, let me know if you are currently using GoHighLevel and what is your most favorite feature, if you have one. Let me know about that. I'm interested in finding out. Okay, so my second favorite thing about GoHighLevel is the 360-degree view of any lead, any client throughout your entire platform. What do I mean by that? I mean that once that lead is captured, whatever they have done, whatever they have interacted with, if they have clicked on a funnel, if they have sent you a message, if they sent you a message through a DM, through your business page, or a text message, or an email, or whatever, right? Like anything they've done, it is all captured under one spot within GoHighLevel, within OneTech. Why is that super important? Because literally, when I was booking a lot of calls and getting on calls with people, sometimes the conversation starts on social media, sometimes the conversation starts in an email, and then you have had that conversation, and then later on, 2 days later, 4 days later, you forget where you last left off. And if you have to go back to basically figure out what was the last thing we said, or what was the last thing we agreed on, or where did we last leave off, it was so painful. It was taking me so much time to dig back into my system previously to basically figure out who I'm talking to and what was the last conversation. And on top of that, I think my personal struggle was that not a few months ago, a few years ago at this point, when I had some health challenges, I think because of that, something happened where I'm not able to retain information like I used to be able to. I rely on my systems. I rely on my notebook. I rely on all of that quite a bit. Before that, I was relying all on my brain to be able to remember everything. No longer the case. That was a struggle. Like, I feel like, yeah, I've cried about it and all of that, but I'm much better now. I have systems in place that help me stay organized. So just having the ability to go back and see where we last left off a conversation, where the lead came in from, what have they consumed so far, what programs or offers they're interested in before I even get on a call with them is so super helpful, because I want to make sure I am not wasting your time, right? I know that when you get on a call with me, you want to make sure that you maximize that time together. I also want to maximize my time with you. So this is super helpful for me to have that entire context all in one place. And I don't know any other platform that does this at all. They do bits and pieces of it. It's very fragmented. But GoHighLevel, OneTech is the only platform that is doing that and doing it fabulously. So that would have to be my second favorite feature. And my last one, I feel like is almost like a game changer for me, which is the ability to have access to my system through the mobile app. It's not necessarily a feature, but one of the things that I love, I guess you'd call it a process, right? One of the processes that I love is the ability to be able to do this on the go from a mobile phone. So what do I mean by that? We have two different apps. One is called the content app is called GoKollab, where I can stay connected with my communities. I can stay connected with my team, with my clients. We can one-on-one chat with each other if you want to. I can post whatever I want to my heart's content. I don't have to rely on Facebook and their rules and regulations and things like that. If I'm ever going to get locked out or suspended or disabled or whatever, I don't have to worry about that. I have access to my own community through the mobile app. So I absolutely love that. And the other app is the one I use for scheduling appointments and things like that, adding any notes to the client things. I can even accept payment on the go. I can send invoices if I want to. I can create estimates and proposals and things like that on the go. So there's so much functionality that I can utilize through the mobile app, through the two mobile apps within GoHighLevel, that it is life-changing. Yes, I'm at my computer for many hours a day, but sometimes it's funny. Some of the features are more user-friendly, believe it or not, on the mobile app that I would be sitting in front of my computer, but I actually use my phone to do the thing. So booking appointments is one of them. I find the mobile phone version to be very intuitive. So I'm sitting here and I basically just scheduled a call from my phone instead of going to the computer and doing it from there. And some other things are also more user-friendly through my phone. One of the things I use is if I am out and about and recording content, I can just upload the content directly from my phone, directly into the media library or the media storage from my phone into my OneTech account, which is so wonderful. Because previously we had to upload it to the Google Drive and then somebody would have to download it from the Google Drive and then do something else with it and all of that. So now it's all, I can directly upload it and post it from there to any social media platform, or I can just upload it and have it available to be used later in my funnels and emails and things like that. So life has just gotten so simplified, so much more simplified ever since I've been using this platform, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so I am going to stop here. I hope that today's session was helpful. At least it paints a picture for you where I started, how I function, how I operate, what are some of the ways I'm able to help you, and what are some of my favorite features of GoHighLevel or OneTech. And how I'm utilizing it and relying on it for running my business every single day. Okay, I hope that you have a fabulous week and I wish you lots of productivity. I feel like productivity is like a big thing, but also a lot of peace throughout the week. Go forth and conquer, my friends. I will see you next time. And I have something super cool planned for the next 5 weeks, and we are going to do something super cool. I am going to help you master your social media scheduling, posting, the whole shebang using OneTech in the month of June. So I feel like a lot is going on in June for me. We have the mastermind, we have the accelerator. I'm also going to be doing trainings in here and lots of other fun stuff. So please come join me, hang out with me so that we do this together. Keep showing up, keep doing your thing, keep sharing your brilliance and your magic with the world because truly, 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 it is needed. I love you all. May peace and blessings be with you all. Bye.